Hello and welcome back to our channel. If you own a clothing brand, stop paying for models and watch this. I take one product image and turn it into multiple product photos with models without paying for a single photo shoot. I open Gemini, select Create Image from Tools, upload my product image, add the prompt and submit it. Within seconds, the product photography image is ready to download. I repeat the same process with different prompts to generate more styles. All the prompts are available at the end of the video to help you create your own product photos.